Sir Alvin Dave Sarsate o mas kilala sa tawag na Alvin and Tourism, naglabas ng sama ng loob at nanawagan sa bansa at sa taong bayan na gumising at imulat ang mata sa katotohanan at huwag paniwalaan ang mga umano'y kinakalat na maling balita ng mainstream media. Eto't panoorin natin ang video at bigyang reaksyon.
Kabayan, huwag po tayo agad maniwala sa kung ano man yung mga binabalita na mga few individuals about what's happening right now here in The Hague. Because kaming mga nandito mismo sa The Hague, kami po ang nakakaalam, first-hand knowledge, every time mag-interview kami kung ano ang nangyayari. Meron ng mga naratibo na rejection about whatsoever, blah, blah, blah. Sinabi na mismo ng lead counsel na there was never a request done. It was a narrative that was actually put into, I don't know how they did that, but they fed it to the media and the media actually pick it up. And now it's in the mainstream media or whatnot, whatever outlet it is, na pinapalabas na ni-reject ng ICC. There was no such a rejection that has been done. It is a big fat lie. Let us wake up, Filipino people. Let's use this opportunity to literally form an informed decision in the upcoming election. Gumising na po tayo. Huwag na po tayong matulog. Dito po kami ngayon sa harap mismo ng ICC Detention Facility. Kung nakikinig kayo sa live na ito, sana bigyan nyo ito ng pansin. At isipin nyo na napakadali talagang gumawa na naratibo even though the narrative is not actually representative of what's real. Wake up.
Magandang araw mga kababayan. Kakapasok lang na balita ayon kay Attorney Kaufman na lead counsel ni dating Pangulong Duterte ay hindi raw totoo ang mga kumakalat na balita sa mainstream media na nireject umano ng mga judges ng ICC ang umano'y proposal na i-restrict ang proseso ng partisipasyon ng mga biktima sa paglimita ng mga dokumento o IDs na pwede nilang gamitin. At iginiit ito ni Attorney Kaufman na ito ay isang malaking kasinungalingan. Gawa-gawa lang umano ito ng kampo nila Conti na tinawag ni Attorney Kaufman na mga aktivista. Ang hindi sinasabi nila Conti ay, sila pala ay hindi tinanggap bilang representatives ng mga biktima. Muling idiniin ni Attorney Kaufman na wala silang ni-request sa ICC na inireject ng mga judges. Ito't panoorin natin ang video at ating bigyang reaksyon.
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah.
Hi sir, Attorney, how are you? And
good
how's
morning.
He's doing well?
He's in good spirits.
Okay, thank you. And does PRD have any message for the Filipino people now that May 12 election are fast approaching?
He asked for calm and restraint. He knows that there are elections in the offing. He knows that the people are very interested in his welfare. And he also knows that there is a tendency perhaps for people to get excited and not to respect the judicial process. He insists that the judicial process be respected, that there be no interference in that at all.
Thank you, Attorney. And Attorney, how do you respond to the ICC judge's rejection of your proposal? Do you believe it undermines the rights of the accused in any way?
Well, this whole thing about the judges rejecting my proposal, that never happened. All that happened was that there were two activist victims representatives by the names of Joel Butian and Christina Conti, who made all sorts of assertions in the press that I had asked to restrict victims' participation in the process by limiting the ID documents that could be used. That never happened. All I was doing was I was relying on what the Philippines social security system requires for ID to be verified in the Philippines. What they don't tell you is that they were not accepted at this present moment in time to be representatives of the victims, rather the OPCV, which is the unit which is dedicated to representing victims at the ICC. So this is not a question of the judges rejecting something that the defence asked for. This is a response that the defence made to the VPRS, which is the internal court unit which is responsible for assessing victims' applications. That's all we did. We made observations. We didn't make a request which was rejected. That's a big lie.
Yeah. So do you think the ICC sets dangerous precedent by relaxing documentary requirements, particularly in highly politicized cases like this?
Once again, this whole issue of it being a dangerous precedent is not something that we created. It's something that's in the minds of Joel Butian and others.
Thank you, Attorney. And lastly, Attorney, what is your message to the Filipino people closely watching the process unfold?
Respect the judicial process, respect the judges, and respect former President Duterte's right to a fair trial.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Attorney, can I ask another one? Sir, may we ask if you have already applied for PRRD's interim release?
Once again, I'm not going to comment on the chronology of that request. There will be a request for interim release in due course, but as I said many times before, certain conditions have to be ripe for that interim release to take place. And it's the judges who ultimately decided.
Sir, do you think that our former president will be brought back to the Philippines before the confirmation of charges on September 23rd?
I certainly hope so. In fact, I can't understand why he is here. He's a Filipino citizen.
Yeah.
There's a Filipino president in that country who threw a Filipino citizen over here to be tried. Why isn't he in the Philippines? Why isn't he being tried in the Philippines?
Yeah.
Why is there not a Filipino judge who is trying him?
Yeah, exactly, sir. Because that's the sentiment of a lot, if not most of the Filipinos, that he is illegally detained here and that our judicial system is fully functioning well. So we don't understand why the ICC actually took cognizance of what's happening right now.
Yes, I fully sympathize with that sentiment entirely. Thank you.
Sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
No, because the ICC building is kanang dito na siya ang kanang halapita mahitabo ang court and whatnot, office dito nila. This is for where detention. Oh, of course, sir.
Detention nga ito.
Loy, no? Loy, 80 years old, niya gimo gipreso. Nya wa ra ba gyud siya gidakop. He was surrendered. Nga baga gyud mong naong gisurrender niya.
Schedule for pabalikin ang kasi ang kanyang sugar taas kayo.
You mean he was scheduled for yung for medical check-up? Oo, correct.
Taas kayang dugo.
Oo. Kuwan lang ta mo, right? Sabi ng daughter mo, protocol lang ta, ma'am, kaya para di ma-mention ka, naka-live ra ba ko? Hi, sir. Kamusta? Thank you for being here, ha? Will I work? Ato ka sa 26, ha? Wali ka sa Pilipinas? Sana all. Sana all lalagay ka sa imo. May 24 na nakadere? Apel ka maka-volunteer, ha? Kaya dako ka siya na event. April 26, ma'am, na ay event dari naman may ka ng every 3 weeks na may event gigikuan kaya para ang mga tao is continuous mo ano dari. So, on the 24th of May, napod may another scheduled event na i-encourage na mo tanang tao globally, all Filipinos all over the world na mo attend. May 24, ma'am. Yes, so we don't know. We hope that we don't know who's coming. Wait, nakabalo, ma'am, kasi mo adto. Ha? Oh, yeah, napa-event. Oh, May 24, ma'am. Dito sa pinakadako na area. So, we don't know kasi mo abot. Yeah, di ba? So, yes. Please come. Please come. May 24, ma'am. Yes, please. No, May 24 yun ang event, ma'am. Yeah. Yes, please. Yes, please. Oo nga. 23 pa lang, ma'am. Nana mo diri. Oh, correct. Bus 22, ma'am. Go straight lang ka, ma'am, to the right, pero katong bus stop on the other side. Yeah. April, ang among event, ma'am, is April 26, karong umabot Saturday. May 1, 2, 3, exhibit na siya. May buhaton, ana, and then 24. Yeah, oo. But who knows? Hi! Who knows? Maybe may,
So kayo ang nag-ano?
Yes, ma'am. We do our best na wala ko'y group, ma'am. I am independent free thinker. Ana na lang ta. I do my best. Walay group association. Ang akong vision is ang mga tao is matipok ang mga kababayan nato. Napag-ani nila diri there's event, ano bito, ma-enjoy sila, shared values, shared object. Kababayan, spirit of natin. Solidarity po. Balik po kayo, ma'am, sa May 24 ba? Balik mo diri ba? No? In the future. May? 26 ang araw sa April. Oo. Bahala siya. Hello. Bati man lagi ang panahon karon, no? Hindi masyadong maganda yung panahon. Maulan.
Okay lang yan.
Basta wala kang asing dala. Mga sir, mo gikan, sir. Mga seaman. Okay. Sir, greetings. Gusto mo shoutout sa iyong family? We have, mga seaman, mga nidiri, shoutout biya sila, mga kabayan na to. So, we have people, mga seaman na to from Rotterdam. Hello po, mga kababayan. Bye, ha? Bye. Sir, family from the Philippines, wala? Kayo shoutout, sir?
Shoutout sa family ko, lalo na sa asawa ko si Maricel Escobedo.
Yun. Meron pala, akala ko marami pang asa. Ikaw, sir.
Hello, shoutout from Antique.
Thank you po.
Antique. Thank you.
Ikaw, sir.
Hello po, shoutout sa Pasig dyan, Martinez family.
Martinez. Ikaw, sir.
Shoutout dyan sa taga Davao.
Ano ka, sir?
Oo, Davao. Sa...
Lain ang feeling, no, na makita mo talaga yung detention facility ba?
Kaya binigyan na talaga ng oras.
Oo nga. Buti na, marami nga mga kababayan natin na mga seaman, pumunta talaga sila dito.
Kasi ngayon lang yung chance namin yung makapaglabas.
Ano ba yan, sir? Scheduling yung pag-free?
Holiday lang ngayon? Holiday kasi.
Pag hindi holiday, hindi talaga kayo makalabas.
Ngayon lang yung chance namin. Pero every week kami dito kami sa Rotterdam, tatlong dito. Kasi naka-charter kami Rotterdam.
Okay, I see. Hindi naman kayo bumabiyahe papuntang Antarctica.
Yung gaya namin Norway lang, UK, tapos ito Rotterdam.
Okay.
Ngayon lang yung chance, kaya dito talaga yung ano na.
Sana bukas, sayang pa. Pero... Sir Anton, ang update, sir, is muli si Kitty karon, sir, unya. Maybe wata kabalo, sir, sa exact details, maybe naa si kong pulong na diri unya. It's not yet confirmed, and mao mo pwede post ni Kitty sa iyang social media unya. At gyapon tay mga kababayan diri, sir Anton, no? Ugma, sir Anton, magsayo ta, sir, kay atong interviewon si Kaufman ba kung okay sa imo, ha? Magsayo ko diri, sir, mas maay nang sayo ta diri kay para ato siyang mapangutana gyud ugma kung unsa man gani ang mga kuan kay para ma-update nato ang atong mga kababayan. Kung nagtanaw pa magay kani, sir, ha? Babes, kaya mahalin, nawalay na ay magbisita ta. Ulan, init, pista sa langit na ay mga tao diri. Sir. After alas 6 diri, sir, napatay Duterte Forest dito. Dito ang Duterte Forest, ma'am, kana. Estrito na nimo, ma'am, to the right, likod mismo sa Bekel na cafe, mo na gitawag Duterte Forest. Pag mato ka patong Central Station, na bus stop diha ka makasakay sa Duterte bus. Oo. Ang tawag sa bus stop, Duterte bus stop. Oo. Alis na yan.
Kompleto talaga.
Kung bawalan tayo, ma'am, sa Duterte Forest, doon na naman tayo sa Duterte Beach. Oo. Kaya kanan yan. Hindi talaga, hahanap talaga tayo ng ano, ma'am. Ng lugar. Oo. Kasi noon, wala naman tong limit yung number dito, ma'am. 50, ngayon, 50 na. So, may limit na to. 50 lang to every day. At saka noon, walang time limit din. Kahit alas 7 hanggang kinabukasan ka pa dito ka na matug, walang problema. Ngayon, 10 to 6 na lang, ma'am. 6 na. So,
Ito nga dati walang may-ari, ngayon may may-ari.
Kaya nga. Totoo nga, totoo. Walang may-ari nito.
Una nag-picnic dito.
Oo, totoo nga.
13 o 14.
Oo.
Ayun, may liang.
Oo. Sige, ma'am ha. See you ha. Thank you, ma'am ha. Laban lang ta always, ma'am. Basta importante na di lang ta magdalag asin kaya basig mag-ulan.
Manok is good din, manok.
Ha?
Wala kaming balak na.
Dito, sir. Oo. Paska evening yun, yung malaki talaga, kukuha nila kami ng portion doon. Opo. Bye po. Bye-bye po. Bye-bye, ma'am. Dito. Sige, thank you, sir, ha, for coming po. Maraming salamat po sa inyo, sir. Mabuhay po kayo, mga seafarers. Thank you po. Ingat po kayo.
Wala na mo gituyo. So, pag ano,
Ugma, mga alas 8 pa lang na anak ko diri or 7. Sir Anton, mga 7, sir, na anak ko diri, sir. Mag-breakfast na together. Kung gusto ka, magdala ko ka ng bread, sir. I don't know, mata na baka anak. Kaya ako pundalon tong Camille Teen JL. Magsayo ta ugma, sir, kay ato aliging ko anon si atong abangan si Kaufman kay I know na this week na siya. Kay para nag-prepare na po kung mga questions sa iya, sir. Kaya para ko anta, sir.
Updated.
Sir. Account, mabasa po, please. Please, na ako'y sala. Okay, Jean. Okay. Okay. Okay, Jean. Okay. No problem. Jean, it's okay. Just don't, sakto din ngayon na. You should not pretend that you are me or whatnot. Like, if your objective is just to disseminate the information or whatnot, that's fine. Pero never pretend, like, I hope that you're not pretending to be me. Thank you.